Two things you must always do before you apply for any job. Number one, know your requirements well and know yourself well. For that, you need to understand your strengths, your weaknesses. Where you would be more comfortable, what kind of culture you want. Do you want to work from home? You want to go to the office and work? You want hybrid model? Unless you do not know your requirements well, you will be unable to tap the right organization for you. And if in case you end up in a company where you're not satisfied or not happy, eventually you will leave the organization and you will sustain in that company for a very long time. Tip number 2, before you apply for a job, study the company's requirement, the job description, understand the skill sets they need, everything. Only unless you do the right research and know the company's requirement, then only you will be able to tally that with your requirements, your skill sets, and see if that's the best match and if you should apply for the job in that organization or not. Do not start sending resumes to every organization that you see. Filter it down, know your requirements, know the company's requirements, and accordingly apply for jobs. Thank you. Happy job hunting.